Hello everyone, welcome to Figma tips and tricks tutorial. Today I'm going to present rating components. So before rating components, look at this new Figma redesign. It looks really awesome, and this is very flexible to use, very comfortable while we are designing for like a very big or the like a design for the TV or the larger device. So it was on the top, now it is on the bottom, and this is like we can minimize and maximize and all those components properties came this side, and we can easily rename. And if we want to go back, so this is the small icon where we can go back to the Figma files. So options are almost all same, but the like navigations and all is got changed, and you can see here. So we can have the frame section and slice here. So now I think this one is not got enable like as it is shown in a config 2024. So slowly I think it will start working. So let's move to the rating component. So here in rating component, I have created with the two different way. First is like component properties, and second is like using variables. So rating component, mainly we are using the rating for the collecting the customer feedback. So how they rate the product, how they rate the services, and how they rate the overall experience. So here I have the three different pages where in first it is showing the rating of the product, what other users have used and given the rating. Even here it will come the how many users has given the rating and purchased that. And in the second form it is like how is their experience with the product. So here you can see in this page it will ask like how do you feel with this product, and the third variant which is having the overall experience with this purchasing of the product. So let's move to the example. Here this is just the rating I have used. So while I tap or click on that, it is getting highlighted, and whereas once we click on this fourth one, the fifth one will get hidden. So this is the true rating component which is having the same behavior which is we are seeing on the application. So look at the second example which is having the experience of the user, like whether this product they hate it, didn't like, was okay, like, or love it. So they will come and they will click on that. So if they are very happy, love the product, and if they just want to give the like, so it will get disabled. The same banner was okay, didn't like, and then finally this. So moving to the third example, which is having the each star is having one number. So like this is the one, and it is the 5 rating. So moving 4, 3, 2, and then 1. And the last one, which is created with this component property. So while I will hover, it will show the fifth after clicking, and once we selected or tapped on the fourth one, it will show the fourth one. And the last one is without any number, so here it will move around. So let's see the component how it is created. So first I will look at this one, which is using the component property. So here, once we select that component from the asset, we'll drag and drop, and here we'll get this. Suppose this one is not there and I'm using this one, and I want to change the variant. So how we can do that? Here we can get this different variant. So easily we can move around. And these other variants, which is created with the help of variables like this. And here also we have the variant with the 1, 2 and 3. So it will work properly, how the component working in a real life. So the variable things are I have used the local variable where you can see this all rating things. If you want to use the variable one, so you have to create the one more version of that. Otherwise it will get impacted on the other page also. So in same page you can't use the variable one. You need to create the mode, then only it will work. And if you want to use more than like here I have used this the same. So for that I have created one more version of this, which is like version 1 copy. So I have just false this all stars, and in this I have just make it true till 4. So if you want to use in a same page the multiple star rating, so you can go with the component one. So here it is, which is using the variable, and here it is which is using the component property. So directly you can drag and drop from the asset, and you can change the variant to come on the component property. So this file is uploaded in Figma community. Use it. Tell me how the experience with this component. Comment if anything is missing. Thanks for watching. Thank you very much.